Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to use pre-built tables in Google Sheets to save time and make your data look great instantly. Okay, first open your Google Sheets and click on Insert. Then choose Ready to Use Table. And here you will see some ready-made table style for different purpose, like for event planning, like this, and project management like this, and many more. These tables comes with filters, pinned rows, and headers that already set up. And to use one, just click on the style that you want. For example, I will choose this one. And Google Sheet will instantly add a clean, formatted table to your sheets. Now you can start entering your data and everything stays neat and easy to read. You can also create your own custom table by just click on Feature, then choose Empty Table, like this. From here, you can customize it however you like rename your columns and headers, like this, and format the cells, like choose the header color, or just in the table format, and many more. And you can even change column types for number or text, date, or even drop down and checkbox like this. And you can also add a filters. Just click on filter column and the filters will help organize your data better. Okay, that's it. A fast and simple way to make your spreadsheet look professional in just seconds. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.